Hey guys, today I'm in a Chevrolet City Express 2017. So everything is working fine except when you turn the heat or AC, wherever, position 1, you hear this noisy. And to my surprise, the filter actually is located right there, right? It's not a big problem. The problem is, when I was looking, was no filter inside. So I guess whatever drove this one, or any specific time, someone take it out and replace that. So all the dirt, I'm assuming, is inside the motor. That's why it's doing this noisy. Even if I shut the AC off, still same. Even if you put heat, still same. Even if I change to more fast, and kinda stopping. But I'm not gonna use this speed just to notice that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out and to investigate my blower motor, which I'm assuming maybe it's I don't know, can be stuck something or itself need to be changed. Okay, I'm back. I just received my blower motor right here. So let's take out, but before that I want to show you guys one more time how it's doing. It's giving me heat, cold, whatever you call it, but it's that noisy. So let's just replace it. So we have a couple screws and gonna have under. Let's do it. So total we have 8 screws. We have like that, 4 right here and 4 underneath right there. Once you do it, just like so. So here is the connector, and it's holding in one screw. It's right that one, right there. It's a little different side, but it's same. It's pretty easy. Just like so. Once you take it out, we can do this connector, or I can do it later. Now you need to switch clockwise. You hear that? And it's coming right so. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead to disconnect this clip and take this one out. Okay, I have it out. I guess it's bearing inside here. I'm not really sure how to fix this, but it's not that expensive. So this is the screw what is holding it. So first thing we see, this is more small, I guess. Find out if it's fit, leave like that. This is very important plug. Let's check one more time. Yes, it's like that. This is aftermarket and not every time. But before I'm gonna mount, I'm just gonna connect this clip to see if it's working. Okay, just plug in. Now I'm gonna turn the heat. How I say it, there's more, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be good. Okay, fine. Just put it back and see if it's gonna fit my valve. Just make sure you disconnect it. Don't put it when it's working. You don't want to damage before you install. So there is only one way to put it back. So like I said, you don't need to take anything apart, only this right here. Just plug it in. Almost there. Just make sure the hole needs to be in this side. Press in. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this screw back. Before I do that, I really want to try it. See if it's. Look at that. Look at that, so quiet. I think it's more powerful now, actually. Wow, I feel overheat. What is coming here now? Okay, so I'm not sure if it's matter, the blades, which are more big, mine is kind of like that, but it's doing a pretty good job. So for the price, Rock Auto, I really recommend it. So just put the screw back in, everything back in reverse, and that's really guys. So if you have a problem with the blow motor, it's doing a noisy or stop working, this is the way how you can do it. Pretty easy. It's take you maybe 40 minutes. If you have a part next to you, this is maximum you can do it. Even not really hard, just 4 screws here, 4 screws here, and 1 more screw there. You just switch clockwise, take it out, and after put it back, switch back, put the screw in, done. Hope this was helpful, guys. Please give me a like. This is gonna improve to grow my channel, and see you next time.